I want to show you how you can make 3 desserts that are under 50 calories and are super tasty and healthy. They're really easy to make and fast too. For the first dessert, you will need to cut in half some rice cakes. Next, melt some sugar-free chocolate over a pot of hot water. Spread the chocolate over the rice cakes and add fresh blueberries while the chocolate is still wet. Let them set and enjoy. The second dessert uses the rest of the melted chocolate and some fresh tangerines. Dip 2/3 of each segment of fruit in chocolate and roll it around in coconut right after. Let the chocolate set until firm. For the third dessert, you need fat-free yogurt mixed with unsweetened cocoa and sweetener. Once mixed, layer the chocolate mousse with pitted sour cherries or banana or another fruit you love. These can all be prepared in no time and stored in the fridge for emergencies. If you liked the recipe, why not subscribe so you don't miss future uploads? Thanks for watching!